Right. NATO asked, but don't we want to make sure everything has a name as well? That gets into actually the design of the program. That's up to you. Remember, you're the modeler. You're the one who determines what bit of the real world you want to model in your program.
Well, you could actually just go back over into the code that you've got there and show him. Just show him. Add a name to your item.
Well, before we do that, let's stay on the whiteboard for just a minute longer. Just going back to sum everything up that I was saying with a practical angle, the fact that that list is a list of items. I'm now looking at the right-hand side of Nelson's whiteboard there. Since it's a list of items, Gavin cannot come in and say, well, you know what, I'm going to make my own item, but I'm not going to use Nelson's, I'm not going to inherit from one of Nelson's items. I'm just going to come in here and I'm going to make a golden key. And it's just going to be a base class all on its own. Now I have my own class, and this key does not need to have a display, and it does not need to have a use. I can write my own stuff into it. That's fine. But you know what? That item will not.
I've got no.
That item that he just wrote, it's not a true item that could be used in this game because that inventory list.
I can't put it in my inventory.
That inventory can.
I can't pick that up.
That inventory can only hold items, and a gun, a chair, a potion. Those are all items because they inherit it from item. So if you did inventory.add golden key, it would not work if the inventory is of type item and golden key did not inherit from item.
I want my
Sorry,
key.
man. Then you better go in there and do it right. Make your key inherit from item.
But you know, if for instance, if item was mammal, and instead of gun, chair, potion, we had cat, dog, human. You know, you can't instantiate. You couldn't just have a mammal. There's no such thing on this planet that is just a mammal. It's a cat or a dog or
exactly.
Mammal is an abstract.
Exactly.
And also, if you've got, then you could have a list of mammals that then put cat, dog, pony, human. But then if you had a list of ponies, well, you couldn't put cat, dog, or human in that.
Right.